In the Nimbu Paani, we have lemon juice. So this is juice from one lemon. It is approximately around 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon. Some salt. This is about 1/4 teaspoon. Sugar 2 teaspoons. 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and a pinch of dried mint leaves. You may also use fresh or you may omit it. Ice cubes and water. So let's start making it. We have the water. We are going to add lemon juice, salt, sugar, black salt, and some ice cubes. Mix all of these, and then we are going to add mint leaves. So this is we are mixing. This is the fresh one. We are also going to prepare the concentrated one, in which we are going to prepare the sugar syrup, that is known as shikanji. That can be stored for 1 month, and this is the fresh one. So looks like it is ready. Now we will serve it. We'll add some mint leaves, dried mint leaves, and let's serve. So we have a glass here. We're going to add ice cubes to it and serve the Nimbu Paani.